Hi friends, today I'm going to give you an introduction into how the Tally add-on by the name Tycon will help you in verifying your Sunrise debtors and Sunrise creditors bills and invoices so you can make suitable corrections to them. So this is mainly done so your suppliers and buyers ledgers can be balanced neatly and properly. So for that reason this Tycon add-on was developed. Okay, let's get started. As you can see here, these are the steps we'll be following in our scenario. So the first thing is we need to export the Tally daybook or all the vouchers to our daybook.xml. Let's start with that. So I have my Tally here right now. Okay, I will go to display and daybook. Now I need to get all the vouchers. So remove all the dates. So all the vouchers that are in your Tally will be displayed. Okay, we have about 3700 vouchers here. So let's export all those vouchers, and the procedure is this: use Alt E for export, hit backspace and select XML as the format. Keep all others the same there. We select detail here and select yes for all the other options, but the last one keep it as no. Just say export yes. So it will take within a minute or so to export all the vouchers to the file daybook.xml. Okay, it is still going on, as you can see. Once it is done, the screen here exporting daybook will vanish. Okay, there is it. There you have it. We have our daybook.xml. So now we just minimize all our windows. On the desktop you'll have two icons, Tycon start and Tycon stop. So first we need to start the Tycon program. This is the next step. Start your database, your web server. Once that is done, you have to quit this window for the next process to start. Now your process of importing all the vouchers from Tally to Tycon has started. As you can see, this is spinning here. So once this is done, it will take a few seconds to import. Okay, this is done. We can close this window. As you can see, this is the main window, Tally Tycon add-on. You have the customer side here, the supplier side here, and let's go to the third step, visiting duplicate bills. So to view your duplicate bills, you have check compare section. Just click on select duplicate sales bills. As you can see here, we have blue highlighted, and in some places we have red highlighters as well. So the blue highlight means after 90, 91, 92. So there's something previously is missing. Duplicate bills. Blue means missing bills before. Red means duplicate bills before. So before this is another duplicate bill, and so on. So let's go to the fifth step. We'll be viewing the different type of interest rates calculation PDF reports. So let's go back, and as you can see from 3 to here we have all the report types of simple interest calculations that can be done. And if you want to get more information on what they do, just click on the question mark here and you get details on what each of those does. Okay, let's go to the next step, that is viewing the different interest rates. So I will show you how to. Let's take the third one, sale bill on interest items first. We select this, we select a customer and say show. Okay, as you can see, the red here is the interest items that have interest calculations on them. So as you can see, interest is calculated on these, and this interest and this total is deducted from the customer receipt amount, and we get a new opening after the amount is deducted, and so on. If you go further down, you can see that all the interest items and the items that don't have interest on them. So let's go further down, and you can see all the stock that is used by that customer. We have the final balances here, the total interest, and also a PDF report of the same, so we can give to the customer. As you can see, all the interest items are highlighted in bold, and below the interest items, the non-interest items with just their values, and finally at the bottom the calculation. So this is the different type of interest calculations we have from 3 to 9. So in another window I have already done all the ran all the various interest calculations. I'll show you here. So as you can see, for each different calculation we have different little bit of variation in the totals. That is due to the algorithm and the method that is used by the customer to buy the items. So basically this Tycon add-on has 5 different interest calculation programs that will help you to create customer simple interest bills, and that is based on the customer purchasing history or purchasing method. And as we have seen, 3 to 6 are used for simple interest calculation on store item sales, and the 7 to 8 are used for simple interest calculation on financing schemes like auto financing or loan schemes. And that's about it. And if you want more information on what Tycon has, you can go to this link, this what is Tycon, and check it out for yourself. Okay, thank you guys. So now we need to stop the Tycon program. We just click on Tycon stop your database, your web server, say quit, And that's it for today. Thank you.